Hey there! Are you interested in earning some extra money online? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is a platform that pays you for completing various tasks such as surveys, offers, watching videos, and more. So, let's dive in and explore how you can start earning with PrizeRebel. Step 1. Signing up. To get started with PrizeRebel, you need to sign up for an account. Signing up is completely free and takes only a few minutes. Once you sign up, you will need to confirm your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Completing tasks. PrizeRebel offers a variety of tasks to choose from. Some popular tasks include taking surveys, completing offers, watching videos, and more. Each task has a different payout, and the payout also varies based on the complexity of the task. So, it's essential to choose the tasks that offer the best payout and are easy to complete. Step 3. Referring friends. Another great way to earn with PrizeRebel is by referring friends. PrizeRebel has a referral program that pays you for every friend you refer. You can share your referral link on social media, forums, or even your website. The more people you refer, the more money you can earn. Step 4. Participating in contests. PrizeRebel also has various contests and giveaways where you can win big prizes. To participate in the contests, you need to complete specific tasks and earn points. The more points you earn, the higher your chances of winning. Step 5. Redeeming your points. Once you have earned enough points, you can redeem them for various rewards such as gift cards, PayPal cash, and more. PrizeRebel has a wide range of reward options to choose from, so you can select the reward that suits you the best. So, there you have it. These are some of the ways you can make money with PrizeRebel. With a little time and effort, you can earn some extra cash that you can use to pay bills, treat yourself, or save for something special. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with PrizeRebel, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy earning. The link will be in the description.